and this week I'm so excited because it's the hour of code. And if you don't know about this yet, hopefully you do, but if you don't, you need to go over to code.org right away and check out this whole week's worth of fun computer coding instructional activities for every age, every interest. You need to check it out. And because it's the hour of Code Week, I have put together a collection of computer coding books for you that are some of my favorites. So between code.org and these books, you guys should be all tech savvy, you and your kids. So I'm going to start with this one by DK. It is called Help Your Kids with Computer Coding, a unique step-by-step visual guide from binary code to building games. This book has 3 sections in it. The first section is about Scratch, which is coding for very young children, and then, or for beginners, either way. And then once you've kind of worked through Scratch, it has a section about Python, which is another great platform. And then the back section has some more information about different types of computer coding and how it's relevant, how it's useful to us. So if you can see, it's very, like all DK books, it's very colorful, and it does a great job of interspersing information with nice visual help. It's beautiful, it's fun, it's a quick read, and it's a great, you can use it as a textbook too to work with your kids. So highly recommend that one. And the next couple I'm going to share with you are by relatively, they're not new, but it's relatively new to me, publishing company called Starch Press. They've got some great stuff, lots of manga stuff, some Lego stuff, some science stuff, and some computer coding stuff. So check them out, Starch Press. Once you've picked up this one, this DK book, you're into Scratch, you want more on Scratch, learn to program with Scratch. A visual introduction to programming with games, art, science, and math. So you have that nice STEAM tie-in, which I, of course, love. It is a full color book. It's a textbook. Goes straight through, can give some great information for you on how to get the most out of Scratch with your kids. So like that one. And then again, Scratch is for a beginner, and then when you're ready for something a little bit more, you go for Python. Python for Kids, a playful introduction to programming by Jason Briggs, also by Starch Press. Similar format to the other Learn to Program with Scratch book. It is a textbook, but it is nicely alternated with pretty graphics and nice layout, so you can just work through this. So check it out. And then I use, for Steam Power Classroom, I use WordPress for my website. And so I was particularly excited to find this one, also by Starch Press, Build Your Own Website, a Comic Guide to HTML, CSS, and WordPress by Nate Cooper. Now I haven't gotten a chance to work through this yet, but I have flipped through it many times, and I'm very excited about it to help teach me more about how to use and modify my own website. So it does a nice job of, and it's a comic guide. So it alternates between nice fun comic story of this person who wants to learn coding, and then some diagrams and more text-based work to emphasize the information that's been introduced in the comics. So crazy fun stuff. I kind of feel like they wrote that just for me. So thanks. All right, this one is by Pragmatic Bookshelf, and this company also has several computer coding titles, so check those out as well. This one's called Learn to Program with Minecraft Plugins, Create Flying Creepers and Flaming Cows in Java by Andy Hunt. Now, if you're like me, you've got a kid or kids who are obsessed with Minecraft, and what a fantastic way to introduce them to coding. So I was really excited to find this book. Eva and I started working on it and working through it, and we discovered, this is the first edition, that they had a problem with one of the platforms that we were supposed to use to help us launch into it and working with Java. And so we emailed the author. Actually, Eva emailed the author, and he said, you know, it's really interesting because Minecraft has just been sold, and because it's being sold, there's a big lawsuit, and it's all up in the air as to whether or not this platform can be used. This particular platform is called Bucket, to use to modify Minecraft. And so he said, so I don't know what I'm going to do. So they actually emailed back and forth for quite some time to brainstorm ways to get around Bucket so that we could use the instructions in this book. And what came out of it, and all of his work, But eventually he did create a new edition, actually really, really fast. So all this happened within this last year. It was very exciting. I mean, it was kind of sad, but it was also kind of exciting to watch this unfold together. So be sure to get the second edition is what you need. It was just released in November 2014. So be sure you get the second edition, and it has all the updated stuff, and now you can use this book to work in Minecraft and learn Java. So, and Andy Hunt was crazy nice guy. So we appreciate him and hope that you use his book and all of his hard work. Okay, so staying with the Minecraft theme, this is not a computer coding book, but I hope you know about these. These are the new Minecraft books by Mojang, the company that created Minecraft. This one's the construction handbook. There's also a Redstone handbook. There is a combat handbook, and there's an essential handbook or essential guide. So these are just fun, colorful books that give you more information and tips and hints as to how to better use Minecraft. And they're really fun. You can get them in a 4-part collection. You can get them all together. So those could be fun. And then sticking with our theme of Minecraft, there's another company I want to introduce you to, and that one is called Triumph Books. And I've just discovered this just a couple months ago and was very excited. They have several books about Minecraft. This one's called The Big Book of Minecraft, but they also have, I think, at least 3 or 4 more that are in different levels. So depending on how advanced you are in Minecraft and what you're ready for, how deep you want to go. So I gave this to my daughter. She read through it and she said, yes, highly recommend it. Include it in this video. So here I am including it. You can see it does a nice job of, again, the illustrations and text, and gives some great deep tips as to how to do unique things in Minecraft and take it a step further. So I hope those books are helpful to you and get your kids very excited about computer coding. And I hope you'll go over to code.org and join us, because we'll be there this week enjoying all those great things and activities. We'll see you next time.